NetSuite ERP Foundation e-learning series comprises of 8 volumes. In Volume 1, I will take you through what is cloud computing, different cloud deployment models, different cloud services offered in the market, and introduction to NetSuite. Also, in this volume, I will take you through a high-level overview of the software as a service architecture and how it is relevant to NetSuite. And finally, I will show you how to get into NetSuite and navigate around the menu to start using the product. In Volume 2, I will take you through how to personalize NetSuite for your company and how to use the Setup Manager to configure your NetSuite account. Also, we'll take you through how to enable features for accounting management, inventory, procurement, order management, and tax compliance. We will also see how to create subsidiary relationship if your company have subsidiary operations and how to manage multiple currencies for business operations. In Volume 3, I will take you through how to set up employee details, create and assign roles for your employees, how to create customer details and assign them to multiple subsidiary operations if you have. Likewise, we will see how to create vendor details and assign them to multiple subsidiary operations, enable inventory management features for performing transactions, and how to set up pricing details. In Volume 4, I will take you through how to work in NetSuite for the order to cash and customer returns business process. In Volume 5, I will take you through how to work in NetSuite for the business process of procure to pay and purchase returns. In Volume 6, I will take you through the modules of General Ledger and Fixed Assets Management. In Volume 7, I will take you through the reports and saved searches tools in NetSuite. And in Volume 8, I will take you through how to customize NetSuite applications to meet the business requirements using the Suite Cloud development tools. Sundar Srinivasan is a seasoned software professional with 30+ years of experience in the global software product and consulting service companies. Sundar has got more than 25 years of work experience in the enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, and human capital management software applications. He is a pioneer in the ERP applications industry and has worked in multiple ERP products. He has delivered projects for customers in India, North America, United Kingdom, China, Australia, Asia, and Middle East countries. Also, Sundar has delivered consulting engagements for Fortune 500 companies in the manufacturing, retail, distribution, logistics, and high-tech industries. As a product manager, he has conceptualized the product from market requirement to productization to release management for global and India markets. He has extensively worked in the product management function both in product development and in sales organization, defining the go-to-market and pricing strategies. His combined experience in the product development, management, and consulting engagements in the ERP space propelled him into business development and sales management function. He has extensively worked with the direct sales team and with the partner ecosystem in the Asia Pacific and India markets. Currently, Sundar advises companies in the digital transformation area and also helps them to evaluate and select the right ERP for their organization. He gives lot of guest lectures in the area of business transformation using digital technologies to colleges and industry associations. His stint at NetSuite has inspired him to come out with the e-learning series for NetSuite ERP Foundation training.